Join me as I take on the challenge of keeping my mini braids fresh and protected with my simple washing routine. First of all, I pre-pull my braids using hot oil treatment overnight. I then saturate my hair with water by rinsing out some of the oils from my hair, and then I started shampooing with my black soap shampoo. I shampooed twice to get all the buildups out of my hair. Keeping the braids clean and moisturized is key to making them last longer and look great. I have struggled with finding the right balance, but I have finally nailed it down to a simple washing routine that I just can't wait to share with you. One of the biggest issues I have faced with my mini braids is build-ups, leading to scalp itches, frizziness, brittle hair, dry hair, and dull-looking mini braids. To combat all these issues, I have developed a step-by-step washing routine that really works for me. After rinsing out the shampoo from my hair, I went ahead to deep condition my hair. I do this in a downward position so that I don't rub my hair so much to prevent it from being frizzy. I covered my hair and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I wash the deep conditioner out of my hair. I use Lantana Camara and hibiscus tea as my last rinse. I air dry my hair afterwards and followed up with a moisturizing routine. The products I use for moisturizing my mini braids are my teas, my leave-in conditioner, hair butter, and then hair oil. I then followed up to soak my ends with gels. Been too long now. I think that I want to second guess you, I second guess me, I second guess them. Don't second guess me. So come a little closer. After the moisturizing routine, I went ahead to massage my scalp very well. I wash, deep condition, and moisturize my mini braids every 3 weeks. But within the week, I moisturize my hair 2 to 3 times to prevent my mini braids from being frizzy and dull and also brittle. I work in sessions whenever I'm dealing with my hair. One of my greatest secrets to having a moisturized and long-lasting mini braids is sealing my ends with gels. I use flaxseed, chia seed, and aloe vera gel to seal my ends. This helps keep my ends protected and also prevent it from being frizzy. I use satin scarf to scarf my hair and also use a satin pillowcase to keep my hair protected while sleeping. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share to your friends and family. Life is our game that we play. I won't get away. After applying the gels at the ends of my hair, I hold it and let it air dry, and then I tuck my ends in. Tucking my ends in is one of the ways I use to prevent my hair from breaking at the ends. When your hair breaks at the end, you will not retain your length. I will see you in my next one. Bye.